The 2 days intervention that I had with Sangeeta has transformed me and encouraged me to be a better leader tomorrow.
Go too much beyond, right?
Sangeeta, I really appreciate and I really love the 2 days journey with you.
Boy comes back.
You've come across as a person who's not just knowledgeable but who is so grounded, who is somebody who is so humble and generous. It still feels surreal to have spent these 2 beautiful days with you.
One by one.
I had a really good time with you, knowing about you and learning from you is a very much good thing. We thoroughly enjoyed the session and literally love to enjoy with you. I mean, everything, whatever you taught, got a chance to meet you. So, thank you.
Ma'am, I would like to thank you first for your presence and gave us a chance to attend your sessions. So this session was very special.
I honestly appreciate your enthuse, your energy levels and your groundedness. Thank you for all these learnings. It was really an awesome experience knowing you, knowing your knowledge and you as a person. It was an excellent session not because of content but because of Sangeeta, the gain enabler.
At some point in time, if you remember us, oh, you know what, Anusha, I trained her, I interacted with her. I think that's all that I can ask for. So thank you so much for adding a lot more colors to my wings today. Thank you.
Thank you.
And I had a great time. Your smiling face and the way you presented and the way you have encouraged us, this is awesome. So I will definitely look forward to implement all the concepts and all the rules and whatever you have, made us learn. So I will definitely try to implement them and reach somewhere someday.
Great,
Thank you
awesome.
so
Thank you.
much. Thank you so much.
So genuinely, I thank.
Your experience about the last 2 days.
This particular training program has perhaps given us a lot of flexibility to ponder over, contemplate about ourselves, to be more self-aware.
Oh my God.
Myself and invest in myself and learn more, and like you said, that believe in yourself and also how to influence people. And the best moment, I can't describe one, is the whole journey we are all taking together.
Awesome.
And what I'll focus is on results and numbers.
Great.
And I would encourage everyone to listen to what Sangeeta says.
Thank you.